SE Ranking's Agency Pack add-on presents a powerful suite of tools designed to supercharge your agency's SEO and digital marketing offerings.
Tailored to meet the unique needs of growing agencies, this add-on provides advanced features that streamline operations, enhance client reporting, and facilitate brand customization.
Let's dive into the benefits and functionalities that make the Agency Pack an essential component for any agency looking for scalability and excellence.
The Agency Pack offers comprehensive custom branding options that allow you to personalize the SE Ranking platform with your agency's logo, color scheme, and domain. This white label feature ensures a consistent brand experience for your clients when they access reports or dashboards. This in turn reinforces your agency's professional image and creates a seamless brand identity. Generate detailed, customizable reports with your agency's branding, ready to be shared with clients. The white label reporting feature enables you to present data and insights directly from SE Ranking under your own brand, which goes a long way in enhancing client trust and reinforcing your value proposition. Choose from a variety of templates or create custom reports tailored to each client's needs and preferences. With unlimited automated reports, you can break free from the reporting treadmill and send these directly to your clients' inboxes. Efficiently manage your team and clients with the ability to create sub-accounts, referred to as user seats. Disclose your results openly by granting your clients access to pre-selected sections of the SE Ranking platform, ensuring they have the tools and data necessary for their work. Similarly, provide clients with tailored access to their projects, giving them the transparency they desire, while controlling what data and features they can see. SE Ranking enhances team collaboration with built-in task management features. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress directly within the SE Ranking platform to ensure projects stay on track and team members remain aligned. This centralized approach to task management saves time and streamlines communication among team members and with clients. Additionally, the Agency Pack includes the Lead Generator tool, which allows you to install a simple on-page SEO checker widget on your site to easily convert website visitors into qualified leads by offering them an audit of a web page in exchange for their contact details. With SE Ranking's Agency Pack, you can also be featured in our exclusive agency catalog that provides you with a great opportunity to showcase your services to a broader audience. This is your agency's chance to build trust with potential clients and generate high-quality leads. SE Ranking's Agency Pack add-on is designed to empower digital marketing agencies with the tools and capabilities needed to deliver exceptional services to clients, streamline internal processes, and set yourself apart in a competitive market.
From custom branding to detailed user management, this add-on package is a game changer for agencies looking to scale their operations and maximize their SEO and digital marketing potential. Thank you for exploring SE Ranking's Agency Pack add-on. To learn more about how our tools can benefit your agency, visit our knowledge base or contact our success team directly. Start elevating your SEO services today with SE Ranking's Agency Pack add-on.